Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel, and yeah, welcome back to the Never Ending Kit. So I decided what I was going to do was do these layouts, which are the faux pocket pages, and some of them have real pocket pages. So yeah, gonna get these done. So let's see what I can do. Guys, I fly through these pretty quick, and I want to show you the little things that I do, right? Like I could have done some serious embellishing on here. I could have die cut things. I could have popped up things, used tulle, used twine, used ribbon, done all of the things. But honestly, I don't feel like they need to be, okay? These are photos that I obviously want in my album, or I wouldn't be putting them in like on scrapbook pages, but they either are duplicates or not the best moments of photos or whatever, right? Like these are the photos that I did not deem worthy to create a full 12 by 12 layout with. So I am just going to do a little bit of decorating, and that includes things like washi tape and stickers and some enamel dots. Maybe, I don't even remember if I put enamel dots on here, but it's not going to be a whole heck of a lot of embellishment. And it's not going to embellish on every single page. And I think the reason why I feel so strongly that it's okay, obviously besides the fact that that's the way I want to do it, but these photos aren't actually in pockets. Right? Like for some reason, if you give me a pocket page layout, it is almost a struggle not to feel like I need to decorate every pocket. I will say it's not as bad as it used to be. But when I started playing around with pocket pages, I thought that that's what you were supposed to do. You're supposed to decorate something in every pocket, whether you were just popping a photo in there or what. And I know that that philosophy might be a weird philosophy to some of you, because some of you out there in scrapbooky land, you know, you throw a photo in a pocket, you put some journaling on a card, you throw it in a pocket, and you're good, right? Like some people look at pocket page scrapbooking as like the easiest scrapbooking because there is no decoration, there is none of the futzing around, right? Futz, F-U-T-Z. I feel like I have to say that because there have been a couple times where people are like, oh my word, you said it, and laughed. But there's been a couple times where I've got like, I cannot believe you cursed in that way on your channel. I'm disgusted, blah, 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 blah. So whatever. I just want everyone to know that I'm not dropping the F-bomb. Plus, I don't want to get demonetized. let's be real. Not that I am making money hand over fist on YouTube, you guys, but I don't want to be demonetized for it. So anyway, pocket page philosophy is different for everyone, right? Like some people, very bare bones, minimal photos, words, done. Some people pocket page where their pocket pages are even more elaborate than a fancy 12 by 12 scrapbook page, right? Some people scrapbook inside the pocket only. Some people scrapbook outside the pocket. Some people like a combo. I like a combo. Not with this project, but I do in general like a combo. I think it's fun. But yeah, I don't feel the need to like really put a lot of embellishment on these layouts. I'm also just kind of figuring out where I want things to go and kind of what I want them to look like. I find it really easy if I'm going to decorate pocket pages like this to have kind of a set bit of supplies that I'm going to play with to kind of nestle and layer and do things. Like labels, tickets, a sticker book, anything like that, where I'm like, okay, I'm going to concentrate on this project, this portion of the project with this portion of the supplies. I find that to be pretty pretty easy, right? If you were looking to kind of do this for the first time and you had no idea what things you would want to do, some of my favorite things to grab, if I wasn't working out of the Never Ending kit, would be labels, washi tape, enamel dots, tags, couple little die cuts or stickers, all of the little bits that you're gonna futz around with, right? Those kind of things. I just find that to be really easy to use. Maybe you hate enamel dots, but you love buttons. Grab some buttons instead, right? Like the little bits that you're going to create. And it's also good practice for clustering. Like say you're just like, man, I can't cluster. I can't cluster. Like grab these things. Grab the labels, grab the tags, grab the tiny die cuts, and kind of put them together and then slap them on the page, right? It's a good way to practice. It's a good kind of like muscle, building that clustering muscle way to practice. Tiny words are another good thing to put in clusters. Okay, so I am trying to kind of come up with something to basically cover up that white spot, right? Because I had that one photo that was a landscape photo and every other one was portrait. So I trimmed it down to a 4x4 and said I would decorate this up here somehow. And that's what I'm doing. I'm going to use some flowers. I couldn't put those flowers down there. I don't know if it went too fast, but it looked like boobies. So I was like, nope, Sandy, not the way to go. So I was like, nope, okay, you know what? It's done then. Then I've got these, which actually are pocket pages, and I will tell you there was a struggle not to decorate every single pocket. Like I had to stop myself and I had to be like, Sandy, you don't need to decorate every single pocket. It doesn't even look like I come close to doing that on this video. No, because all of that was running through my head 6,000 miles an hour while I'm scrapbooking. So yeah. I am going to use some bingo cards just because I found them in the stash and they were easy to use. And it worked. So, yeah. But I do have to kind of make a decorative pocket on some of these because there are no photos in that pocket, right? Like I did not have enough photos for all of the pockets. And that is okay as well, right? Like you can just do decorative bits right there. I do put on that bird because I am thinking, jailbird, get on a tiny word phrase sticker there. Not any lump or bump on here, right? Like my old creative memories, people would be so proud. A couple weeks ago, I was on a message board and told the story about, how dare I use lump in a layout, and ever since then, like it's just been on my mind. So here we go. Got those photos of Chloe and the water on the other side, and then on this side we got some water photos as well. So I'm going to do a decorative bit on this side as well, and not worry about the other side. I don't think I decorate the other side at all. I've given myself permission not to worry about it. And that feels really good, right? Like giving yourself permission to do the things that you really don't need to have permission for sometimes feels really good. Sometimes you need to do those things. But I was thinking about, how to really get this bit decorated, decorate it. And I figured that out. And make that happen. And it doesn't have to be big, huge decorations, right? Like it could be minimal, which is what I got going on here. Got those booby flowers on there anyway. And that's going to do it, guys. My pocket pages for this project are done. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again real soon for another video.